Hi guys and welcome to the video. Today we're doing an unboxing of an early birthday present that I've received of my wireless micro by RØDE. You'll notice the box is black. In fact, the microphones are orange because orange is the new black. The reason that I have got these microphones is due to the poor audio quality that I've currently got using the standard iPhone microphones. This video is going to be both the unboxing and the testing. And here they are in all of their glory. The reason why I've gone for RØDE is due to personal preference, mostly with experience of using them. There are other microphone brands out there which I'm sure are great. Hear good things about DJI all the time. They tend to only work best with their own things, whereas I know RØDE work well with everything. These are the DJIs. The advantage of the DJIs is that the muffs are included within the lovely box set, whereas with the RØDE ones they actually don't fit inside the box, which is a bit of a downside. We get two muffs. Let's go with the absolutely gorgeous a bit of ASMR there. Go with the absolutely gorgeous orange case. I saw these and just fell in love with the colour. They are absolutely amazing. Little rubber stoppers up at the top. A nice USB-C charging. Let's see, unfortunately the muffs don't fit inside the case. They're actually about the same size as the case they come with. And here they are in black. Side by side. Exactly the same thing, just different colour. Definitely love the orange. They are absolutely, it's good. It's gorgeous. They are definitely going to be a well-used and well-loved piece of equipment. We have actually pre-gamed the setup for these, so obviously it doesn't fit in there, but we have 3D printed a case to put them all in, again in a similarly absolutely gorgeous orange colour. This can be found on makerworld. Everything just fits inside, even the cable. For ease of transport, so getting out and about, doing some filming, or even just keeping everything safe and sound. Now we're just going to do a quick transition so we can get the audio of the microphones attached. Okay, and now we have the audio now being provided by RØDE. One thing that you need to do in the setup is to take off the little tabs at the back for the connectors. They come with both a clip, so you can clip onto things, and the magnets, so you can have it through closed to hold in place. I think it's a very used-to design. The light there is showing that it is also connected. So we're going to get this popped back into the case. It also pulls into the case as well. It comes with a quick start guide. It's just the instructions and things, how to get started. Basic starting up instructions. The receiver, which is from the central bit, is currently in the bottom of my phone. So it comes with a small USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C, which is very common these days. All in all, guys, I think we can all agree the audio quality is superb now. They look amazing. They're nice and bright, easy to be seen. I know that's not always what everyone's going for, but I think in a world where everything's black and grey, a little bit of colour brightens up your day. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you with that, and hopefully we'll have some more content coming soon with audio brought to you by RØDE.